Your next car could be the 2019 Nissan Versa. This vehicle still has fewer than 15,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This sprightly Versa offers a host of features to keep you secure, comfortable, and connected. From impressive standard driver assist tech to an upscale cabin and touchscreen infotainment, this clever compact is ready to take you places. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, bucket seats, power steering. Who knew you could have so many upscale features in an efficient compact sedan? See for yourself when you take this well-appointed Versa out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.